Followers of this blog for the last many years know that I rarely speak about the weekly portion in the Torah that we read, but something just really struck me. In the portion that we read yesterday, Bamidbar Numbers, it recounts a survey that was taken, a survey of the entire Jewish people. And from all the Jewish people that are mentioned, they are given different categories according to their tribe. Everyone is discussed, how many were in the tribe of Ruvain, how many were in the tribe of Judah, etc. And one of the questions, of course, is why? Why do we need to know how many people were in each tribe? Why do we need to know how many people there were at all? That's a separate question. And there are a lot of explanations that are given why do we need to know how many people were in each tribe. But listen to this one. You see, there was a tribe, the tribe of Dan. The tribe of Dan was a large tribe. It had about 62,700 people, says the Torah. Why was it such a large group of people? In contrast to the other tribes, only Judah was larger. Levi, for instance, was 22,000. Benjamin was 35,000 or so. 62,700 people, men in the tribe of Dan. And why is this so? So the explanation that I heard is really beautiful. You see, when we go back to the survey, so to speak, back in Genesis, and we look at Jacob and his sons and where all the tribes came from, we see that Benjamin, for instance, gave Jacob 10 grandsons. Dan only gave him only one grandson. And who was that grandson? He was Chushim. Chushim was the son of Dan. He was the only son of Dan, and he was deaf. He was disabled. But look what happened. Look what happened over the years. By the time the Exodus came, the tribe of Benjamin, which you would think would be the largest, was 35,000. But the tribe of Dan was 62,700. One man, a disabled man. What does that tell you? Well, what it tells me certainly is that we can have all kinds of predictions. We can do all the statistics and actuarial studies. But when it comes down to the bottom line, no matter what, it's still in God's hands. He decides what's going to happen with us in the future. It's graduation time. You say, I don't have a child graduating, or my child is disabled, or I only have one child in school. What will be of my family? What kind of legacy will I leave? Well, fear not, fret not. It's in God's hands. You can have just one son. He could be disabled, and he can be from the largest tribes in Israel and from the most successful ones. Never lose hope. Never lose faith. It's all riding in God's hands. Have a great week. Something to think about.